I grabbed some free paint stir sticks from my local building supply store, and here's what I did with them. I sanded the door of my RV and then wiped it clean.
Got my paint sticks.
I used my miter saw to cut angles on the paint sticks, but I couldn't go bigger than a 45-degree angle, so I just had to hold it on my own. It's a little bit sketchy, but it worked. So I don't know what these angles are, but I just did a variety of angles and taped them onto the door to see how it would look. And then I used a pencil to mark the lines where the wood paint sticks overlapped, and I cut them so that it would sit flush on the door.
Got some better tape. Moment of truth. Is this gonna work? Please make it work. I labeled them so I know what goes where. No. I think I'm gonna glue those two and then let it dry, and then I'll do these ones. These are gonna be tricky. It's construction adhesive.
I should have got a paintbrush to spread it around, but I just used my finger. You don't want to get the glue too close to the edges, otherwise it will seep out of the edges when you push it onto the door. Also have a wet rag handy. It's really helpful for getting glue off parts that you don't want the glue onto. I taped over top of them once the glue was on to make sure that they would stay in place until the glue dried. Once I had those two peaks secured into place, then I measured that third one because I knew things wouldn't move around anymore, and I cut it and glued it all. I let it dry overnight, and then I took all of the tape off. Then I sanded the wood paint sticks just to make sure that there was no extra glue or bumps or anything. Of course, I wiped it all clean again, and then I primed the door.
This is the primer that I'm gonna use.
And I should mention, I'm doing this project in our RV on our bathroom door, but you don't have to do this in an RV. You could do it in your home. You could do it in a closet, on the wall, wherever. I just think it's such a great budget-friendly DIY project that really anyone can do.
This is the part where it always looks worse before it's gonna get better.
Always between coats of everything. We sand, we wipe down clean, and then we paint. We let it dry, we sand, we wipe down clean, and paint. That is how we do it.
I'm really just trying to use up what I have. So this is Sculptor Clay. It's a bear color, and I just got them to color match with this Benjamin Moore one. I don't have another roller, so I'm gonna try this better brush.
If you want to see more of our travel trailer renovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you're not going to believe the bedroom transformation. I just finished it and I'm going to get the video uploaded soon. Watching this video back, I can't believe I used a little brush for this whole thing. I should have got a roller. Anyways, I let it dry, and the next day I sanded it again, wiped it down, and I did a second coat. Okay, are you ready for the transformation? Here's the before and here's the after. All I did was add free paint stir sticks and gave it a coat of paint.
Okay, so I did this project for Home Talk, and I needed to get my content done, but this doesn't work. So in order to get it to stay, okay, you can come out. Can you get out now?
I don't know.
There you go.
Peekaboo.
He was holding the doorknob.
We got a good laugh. Anyways, click this next video here for another easy DIY you can do in your RV or home.